This is so tight.
I know.
Are you ticklish? Is that what's going on here? Oh my gosh.
That feels so good.
Hey guys, I'm here with Selena.
Hi.
And Selena has never been adjusted before.
No.
She's a newbie, which are my favorite. Do you have any questions about chiropractic?
No, I'm really excited to get it done because I've heard
Yeah.
so many amazing things. A little nervous, but I'm excited.
You don't look nervous. There have been some people who have looked way more nervous. Have you had a massage before?
Yes.
Yes? Do you get massages often?
Yeah.
You do?
Deep tissue.
Okay. Could you tell me if there's anything going on with your body? Like, how do you feel right now?
I feel tense. I have very tight hips, and I do work out daily. Like I mentioned earlier, I had a beauty business for 7 years, so I was like this all the time doing lashes and permanent makeup. So my posture is not the best. So
Okay.
I would definitely like to see if it helps with that.
Okay. How's your posture when you're standing? Do you want to stand up and face me this way? How do you, so try not to correct it because I'm looking at you, but how would you stand if somebody wasn't looking at you trying to correct your posture here? Just kind of like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I would rather it be more
Rather
like,
be like that?
yeah, so tight.
Okay. You're actually this way a little bit. So did you know that?
No.
Okay. So like we'll get it on the video so you can see. So put your arms down like this, and your right shoulder. Don't look.
Actually, I did pull something earlier this morning.
In here?
Yep. Because
This, let's see. So you have this side here is higher than this side. You pulled something in your arm?
yeah, I got these new pantry organizers.
In your elbow?
And I was trying to pull them apart from the box,
Mm-hmm.
and I twisted something.
Perfect, so we have
And I
something
do
to-
have carpal tunnel too, a little bit.
Really?
From doing lashes for so many years.
So do you have like numbness and tingling in your hands right now? Or
No, it's only when I do like things consistently with my hands.
It gets,
or
like,
running for a
tingly?
long time, or just like painful.
Pain in here? Okay. Can I check everything now? Are you
Yeah.
checking everything? Okay. Let me see here. It does. It'll like tickle your nose a little bit.
Sorry.
It's ticklish? Is that what? Can you handle it or no?
No, yeah, I can handle it.
Relax here. Okay. Are you ticklish everywhere?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Great. All right. Does it hurt at all when I press here? Okay. I'm gonna start up in here. So I'm gonna take a deep breath in for me. Breathe out. Try to stay relaxed. Wow. How you doing?
Damn.
You just say damn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Okay. Can I keep going?
I just felt like my entire spine's so crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it probably hasn't moved like that in a while.
No.
All right, so try to keep your shoulders relaxed from here and then take a deep breath in again. Breathe out. Good, stay totally relaxed here. Okay, we're gonna do that there. Let's see. Okay. So, we're pretty symmetrical down here, which is good. Okay. All right, I want to adjust your low back next. So I'm gonna have you lay on your side and you're gonna face me. Just scoot towards me just a little bit. Okay. So keep this relaxed. There you go. Everyone I know who's a lash artist or was a lash artist has a really hard time relaxing. I really, yes. Everyone actually, it's so interesting. Okay. Now you're relaxed. Okay, take a deep breath with me. Breathe out. Good. Oh my gosh.
That felt so good. It was
That was
crazy,
fun.
but it felt so good.
Okay, you're moving to the other side. Go ahead and do another side.
Yeah, let's go.
So you're gonna keep this leg straight. You're just like more. And then scoot towards me this way. Yep, there you go. Okay, so take a deep breath in again. Breathe out. Good. Stay relaxed. Good. Stay relaxed again. Okay, not bad. That other side was way worse, right? So you're gonna face up just like that. Scoot over to your left hand. Okay. What do you think so far?
Has anyone told you they never want to fight you?
They never want to fight.
They got some hands and some arms on you.
My like ninja chiropractic skills. Is this you relaxed?
Yeah, and that hurts just a little bit when you press
When
on
I'm pressing
it.
in it there. This is here. Ooh. So what kind of massages do you get? Are they deep tissue massages or?
Yeah, I haven't had one in a while though.
Okay, so-
I usually get them. I used to get them like once a month, but it's
Okay.
been a hot minute.
Let me turn this way for you. Bring this here. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
I know this is not the most comfortable thing, but I want to try to get this muscle to relax a bit. Okay. Let's see. All right. So we're gonna adjust your neck in here, okay?
Okay.
It's probably gonna sound louder than the other adjustments that we did
Okay.
because your ears are closer to your cervical
Okay.
spine here, okay? So stay relaxed from here.
Oh my god.
How you doing? We go like this too.
Okay.
Can I do the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You're doing great. Woo.
Wow.
Yeah. This here is what we're gonna do next. Do you have any questions about this?
No.
You watched your bestie get adjusted with this, so
Mm-hmm.
if she's okay, then you're gonna be okay. I'm gonna put this on you, and if your earrings,
remove these? Just in case.
actually, yeah, let's do that.
Wow.
So keep your head relaxed. How you doing?
Good.
Speak to me. Tell me.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You feel like a little bit something here, but like you said, like relax a little bit.
Did you feel it anywhere else, or mostly up in this?
Mostly up here.
Yeah. Did you feel it like in here?
Mhm.
Yeah. That's where I thought you would. That's where you needed it the most. So some people feel it in their low back. Some people feel it just in their neck, but
Yeah, I felt it in my neck too, but just like the upper.
the upper part of your
Yeah.
back, yeah. Yeah, that's like where it's the tightest on you, so I thought that would probably be the area that you would feel it the most, but you made it, you survived.
Thank you.
Can I check your feet and your arms? Can I do all that? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Yeah. Are you ticklish? Is that what's going on here? Are you okay?
No, I just don't know. I'm not sure what to expect.
Good. Can I do the other side?
That crap. Yep.
Yeah?
That's good.
One more. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, that's exciting. Beautiful. Okay. All right. I'm gonna check your knees. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah? I feel like that was the hardest part for you. You're gonna feel amazing afterwards. You'll be great. Get this relaxed here. How's your knee? There you go. Okay.
Wow.
All right.
Things cracked on my body. I didn't even know they could.
I think so far everything did. I'm gonna have you sit up for me, and you don't have to stand up. Just like sit there. Tell me how you feel right now.
Good.
You
Like,
feel
I
good?
my body feels more relaxed.
Yeah.
And, like, more flexible.
How does this area up in here feel?
Feels more loose.
Okay. Are you right-handed or left-handed?
Right.
Okay.
Whoa.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Is that lash elbow, or was it that one? Both of them.
Both.
Let's see.
Wow.
Okay. So let's check this on this side and see. Can you point to where it hurts? Like exactly like where you.
I'm trying to remember where I pulled. I think it's like right.
Like in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. This arm is,
right
yeah.
there. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, you know what I want to do right here? Don't go anywhere. Let me just see if we, I know this is going to feel kind of strange, but, or is it ticklish?
No, it's kind of painful.
Can you handle it for a minute?
No, I can handle it.
I just want to see if this, the muscle right here will relax a little bit. You okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, if you could just make a doctor's note to my boyfriend that I need to get a massage once a month.
You want me to write him a note that you need a massage?
It's a must for my health.
That's a really interesting idea right there.
It's a must. It's not a want, it's a need. Wow, that feels so good. Yeah, I don't realize how tense your hands can get.
Like everything does. Do you want to stand up and move around and tell me how you feel right now?
I feel great.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel so good.
Does anything, like here, take a little stroll around the table. Does anything feel like restricted or not at all? How does your elbow feel? Your elbows
My elbows feel good.
They feel good?
It feels a lot better.
Okay. How do you feel like your posture is right now, like when you're standing?
It's not so tight. Like this before, it would be painful.
It feels better going this way.
And this,
Yeah.
it doesn't hurt anymore.
Good. This
Thank you
is
so
awesome.
much.
You're welcome so much. Thank you for
So
letting
awesome.
me adjust you. Take your chiropractic virginity, right?
Course.
I will put the link to your Instagram in the description of this video, so you guys can reach out to her and follow her and connect with her.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Dr. Shell. She's amazing, and I am so happy I got this done with her. She is just so genuine and just the sweetest person, and thank you so much.
I did not ask her to say that. That was
No, she didn't, but that was from the
Oh,
heart.
thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.